So we have a few airdrops to talk about, as well as how you're able to go and claim and sell if you want your Monad airdrop. So we jump straight up to the first thing is the Monad airdrop. Simply go over to Jumper. It is the best and most reliable one. And simply go over here, click on the chain, go all the way down to the Monad one over here. Connect your wallet and you will see the Monad over here. Connect the right wallet, make sure to do it, and then simply send it to anywhere you want, whether you want it to Sonic, whether you want it to Solana or Beach, whichever you want. I have already sold mine, and yes, I did sell a little bit early. As we see here, I do have it over on the transaction history right here. I did sell it yesterday for about $2,100, which I think it was at the lowest that it has been. So a bit unfortunate for me. Right now, we probably have about double that. But nonetheless, it was still free money. So let me know how much you made down in the comments below. Next up, we have the Iris airdrop. You can go and check your eligibility right here. Simply click over on the link down below and simply over here, connect your wallet, click on next. If you're eligible, you will see the you are eligible page right here. If you're not, you are simply not eligible. You can try with all different wallets as we see here. Also, for example, the Solana one or the Kepler one. It is completely up to you, but make sure to go and check all of your wallets, because just like Monad, we never know which wallet is eligible for something. And let me know if you're eligible down below. Next up, we have the point distribution for the season 2 over on the Gravity airdrop. Only 11,100 people have gotten the airdrop, and yet I am still in it. As we see here, I do have two positions, a link long and a hype long for the long run. And if we go to the Gravity airdrop right here, you will see the total amount that you've done it in terms of the points, as we see here, and then how much you have gone from the performance last week. And as we see, I am going up. Another reminder, if you join me, you will have a 1.3x boost on your airdrop, so make sure to go and grab it, make sure to go and check it, and simply scale to the leaderboard and go and grab your airdrop, because you are able to earn my money. And Gravity, as we see here, it is doing really well. We got 1.298 billion fully diluted value with 82 million in open interest, which is very nice, and it is growing fast as well. As we see over here, over on the daily, we have good days after good days after good days, which it is really nice to go and see. We also have the Talus airdrop right here, which you can go and start the registration process. Simply click over on the enter page, connect your wallet, whichever slash or backpack. In this case, there is no MetaMask, and it is on the Sui ecosystem. If you are Sui users, you are able to go and grab it, you're able to go and claim it, and make sure to go and do that. One other time sensitive, which ends in about 5 days, as we see right here, is the 70,000 USD pull awaits. This is a first come first serve. It is partnered up with Wix, which they do support the channel. As we see here, first deposit of $100 or plus, and the first spot trade, as we see here, will get you $40 on a 50x leverage of your choice, long or short. So basically, you're getting $2,000 for free on an open position to go and make some money. So the link will be down below. Make sure to go and check them. But as of today, there was not much to talk about, not many airdrops, in fact, to go and talk about, because the situation is a little bit dry. We had Monad, but that was the most important one. In case you want to go and sell and claim Monad, go and check yesterday's video, as I did share all of the information right there. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. I'm trying to keep it short, no BS, no nothing. See you in the next one. Ciao, guys.